Hey, what's up? What's up, YouTube family? I just want to tell you guys, first thing first, before I say anything else, I just want to tell you guys thank you so much for helping my channel get to 500 sub. Definitely appreciate it. It means a lot to me. And one thing I want to say is, like, I know we all got a lot going on in life, so I just want to tell you guys thank you so much for being able to take your time out your day and being able to sub to my channel and be able to watch some of my videos. And I definitely appreciate it. It means a lot to me. And first thing first, man, this is just like a little thank you video from me to you guys, letting you guys know that I appreciate it. And the support means a lot. I'm a small channel, still trying to grow, still trying to get the hang of YouTube. So I definitely appreciate the love. The love means a lot. All gas, no break. Definitely, man, it's only up from here on out. And I definitely tell you guys, man, definitely keep watching, keep subbing, and definitely it means a lot. And I definitely got something special coming up though. Definitely, so stay tuned. And like I said, man, with this YouTube stuff, I'm definitely still trying to get the hang of it, and I'm still trying to be more consistent. Like that's my goal, for me to be consistent with it. And definitely as time go on, I'm definitely gonna be learning how to put put better videos out, and definitely doing some mods to my truck. And for those who, first of all, for those who if it's their first time on my channel, I just want to tell you guys, my name is Al, and this is my 2006 Dodge Ram 1500. And pretty much I created this channel for this truck specific, and pretty much what I got planned for, and some of the stuff that pretty much everything. I'll say this channel was made pretty much based for my truck, to show you guys my build that I have planned, and so much more. So definitely, man, definitely it means a lot. I appreciate the love once again for getting me to 500 sub. And like I said, if it's your first time here, your first time on my channel, definitely show love to hit that sub, like, comment, let me know what you guys think. And like I said, it's all gas, no brake, man. It's all gas, no brake. I'm definitely trying to go up with it, man. With this truck right now, I got so much more planned for this truck. This, with what I'm showing you guys right now, I had this truck for about, I say 2 years now. So what I'm showing you guys right now, this is only like the beginning of everything. So I have so much more planned for this truck, like so much stuff I have planned. There's so much more ideas in my head that I still got to be able to, put on act, and definitely, attack and show you guys like my plans I have for my Ram 1500. But definitely stay tuned though, man. I hope you guys definitely, leave a comment. All right, so if this is your first time on my channel and you just sub, this is my 2006 Dodge Ram 1500, and I'm gonna give you guys a little walk around and show you guys pretty much what I have set up on there. I have a 22 by 14s. These are 14 wide. I'm gonna definitely later on, well, not later on, but sometime throughout the week, I'm gonna try to do like a review on my tires and my wheel setup, why I chose these wheels and tire setup. Also, I have an 8-inch lift on this truck. Give you guys a walk around. That's the back side. Back. So inside. Yep. Let me know what you guys think. Peace out. Thank you. Stay safe.